Okay, let's walk through the process of creating a new course section. First, I've logged in and I'm going to click the Courses tab. Right now, I haven't created any courses at all. I'm going to create a new one. For my new course offering, a course offering is a lot like a course section, I can pick from the courses that exist on the server. These are the two I created in the installation walkthrough. I'm going to pick CS 1705 and create a new section of 1705. I have a space to enter the CRN. That is Virginia Tech abbreviation for a course request number. It's basically a unique identifying label for the course. Virginia Tech uses numbers, and so I'll put in my unique number for this term. Other universities use alphanumeric identifiers in their timetables. That's fine too, but you cannot leave the CRN blank. And I can put in a URL for the course's homepage here. The Moodle ID and group ID are for folks who are experimenting with our Moodle to WebCat gateway, and if that doesn't apply to you, you should leave those fields blank. You can add another instructor if you need to. You can add an existing account as a grader, and automatically those accounts will be promoted to grader permissions when you add them. But right now I'm going to go ahead and click Next to go to step 3 and edit the student roster. Since I just created this WebCat instance, there really aren't many existing user accounts. Right now it says there are 2. And at the very top of the page it gives me a list of the students who are already enrolled in the class, but there are none so far. What I'm going to do is upload a CSV file to populate my student role. And when I do that, any accounts in the CSV file that do not already exist will be created, and the students will be sent randomly created passwords by email to notify them of how to access WebCat. Let me show you the CSV file I created. Here you can see it has 4 rows in it for 4 individuals that I want to add to the course. For more information about the CSV format and how you can upload rosters, on this page, click the context-sensitive help link in the upper right, which gives full details of the CSV format, how the fields are laid out, and so on. The institution my new students are going to belong to is Virginia Tech. That defaults to the institution of the instructor uploading the student information. And I'm going to use the generic CSV format since that's what most users are going to use. Let me find my CSV file. And upload it now. On completion, I can see that my students have now been added to the course, and these users didn't exist on the WebCat server before in this case, so they have been automatically created, and each one of these email addresses has received an email address saying that they have been created on WebCat, giving them their username, the login URL, and a random password for them to start out with. And once they log in, they can go to their home tab, and under my profile they can change their password to anything they like. If these students already existed, that would be fine. They'd be added to the course. Now that I'm done setting up my course role, I can finish to save my work. From now on, whenever I look in course listings, it's going to show this as one of the courses that I teach.